barking?
Yeah, but he's gone now. Grandma left gifts for that, didn't she?
Yes.
And you danced with her.
No, I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
Bet you can't climb that tree. Huh.
See?
Where'd you learn to do that?
On my fire escape.
Hiya, I'm Patch.
I'm Lily. Do you live around here?
Yes, my mom and dad run the stables.
Morning, Patch.
Good morning, Mr. Stone. I'm riding into Shining Time. Could Lily come with me if she'd like to?
I'd like to.
Well, Lily, Sure. She can go. Be back by sunset, though.
Do you want to come too?
I don't think so. I never go there now.
Bye, Grandpa.
So, have you ever ridden a horse before?
No,